Welcome to the future of convenience and innovation. Today, we're about to embark on a journey through the realm of technological wonders, a world where ordinary tasks transform into extraordinary experiences. From the seamless charm of a magnetic screen door to the comedic prowess of a lifting suction cup, these 10 super useful gadgets are here to redefine the way you live, work, and play. So, buckle up as we explore a universe where everyday life meets cutting-edge technology, promising a future filled with both functionality and joy. Get ready to elevate your lifestyle, one gadget at a time. Number 10. Magnetic Screen Door. Magnetic screen doors have revolutionized the way we experience the outdoors while keeping unwanted pests at bay. These innovative doors use strategically placed magnets to seamlessly seal themselves shut after entry or exit, providing a hassle-free solution to traditional screens. Easy to install and durable, magnetic screen doors offer a breath of fresh air without compromising on insect protection. The magnetic closure ensures a hands-free operation, making them ideal for busy households. They not only keep bugs out, but also allow for natural ventilation, promoting a comfortable and insect-free living space. As a cost-effective and user-friendly alternative to conventional screens, magnetic screen doors have become a popular choice for those seeking convenience and a bug-free environment. Number 9. Lifting Suction Cup. The superhero of heavy lifting. Here to rescue your back and make lifting hilariously easy. Picture this: a vacuum cleaner and a bicep had a baby, and it's this suction cup. Stick it to heavy objects and voila! You're the lifting champ without breaking a sweat. Let the suction cup do the heavy lifting while you flex your comedic muscles. It's so easy to use, even your pet rock could operate it, if rocks had pets. Say goodbye to strained backs and hello to a world where lifting heavy stuff is as amusing as a cat video. Get your lifting suction cup now, because who needs a gym when you've got a hilarious sidekick for heavy lifting antics? Number 8. Bladeless Neck Fan. The coolest way to chill out. Imagine a fan without the fuss of blades, and that's exactly what you get with this nifty gadget. Just pop it around your neck and voila! Hands-free breeze wherever you go. No more worrying about hair getting tangled or curious fingers poking around. Plus, it's so quiet you'll forget it's there, until you feel that awesome adjustable airflow. Perfect for workouts, lazy days, or on-the-go adventures. Stay cool, look cool. The Bladeless Neck Fan, where comfort meets style. Say goodbye to blades and hello to a breezy, bladeless world. Number 7. Pocket Scale. Pocket scales are compact weighing instruments designed for portable and versatile use. Suitable for a range of applications, these scales are utilized in schools, labs, and by professionals and hobbyists alike. Their popularity stems from their portability, ease of use, and affordability. Pocket scales find applications in various fields, such as jewelry trade for assessing the weight and value of precious metals, home-based businesses to measure postage, and classrooms for teaching mass measurement concepts. In kitchens, chefs use them to measure ingredients accurately, while pharmacies rely on them for measuring medicines. When choosing a pocket scale, factors like capacity, accuracy, and size should be considered. Notable models like the Kern CM and TCB offer specific features catering to diverse needs, making pocket scales a convenient solution for on-the-go weighing tasks. Number 6. Neon Light. Transform your room into a haven of ambience with neon lights, the perfect touch for daily comfort and style. These versatile lights aren't just for special occasions. They're an ideal addition to your daily space, creating a personalized and inviting atmosphere. Imagine the subtle glow of neon lights framing your favorite reading nook or accentuating your workspace. With their vibrant hues and gentle illumination, room neon lights effortlessly blend aesthetics with functionality, providing a cozy backdrop for your everyday activities. Whether you're winding down after a long day or enhancing the vibe for a productive work session, room neon lights bring a touch of daily joy and creativity to your living space. Number 5. Secret Water Bottle. Introducing our Secret Safe Water Bottle, your ultimate companion for security and hydration. Crafted for the adventurer in you, this secret water bottle not only keeps your drinks hot for 12 hours or cold for 24, but also boasts a discreet 3.25 by 3 dry storage compartment. Safely stash credit cards, keys, or over 100 bills seamlessly, blending functionality with secrecy. Ideal for beach frolics, park strolls, or everyday use, it comes with a bonus carabiner and a smell-proof bag for added convenience. Enjoy worry-free living with our double-walled, leak-free, and vacuum-insulated design. Click into the description now and relish the freedom to hydrate and safeguard your valuables on the go. Number 4. Handheld Massager. Immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of our handheld massager, a touch of serenity in the palm of your hand. Let the stress of the day melt away as you navigate through its powerful yet gentle massage modes. Designed with an emotional touch, this gadget understands the language of relaxation, offering relief to tired muscles and a weary spirit. Its ergonomic design fits seamlessly into your hand, providing a personalized massage experience. From a calming vibration to a revitalizing kneading, this handheld marvel caters to your every need. Elevate your well-being and embrace the healing power of touch. Your journey to tranquility begins with the gentle hum of our handheld massager, a daily ritual of self-care and emotional restoration. Number 3. Cooling Fever Patches. Experience the tender care of our cooling fever patches. More than just relief, it's a comforting embrace during challenging times. When a fever grips you or a loved one, these patches are a beacon of comfort. The cooling touch becomes a soothing whisper, calming not just the skin but the soul. As you gently apply them, feel the warmth of care radiate through. Designed with empathy, these patches stand by you, providing a moment of respite, a promise that relief is on its way. Soothe away discomfort, feel the tenderness of each patch, and let the cool waves wash over you. Because in every application, there's a touch of care that transcends the physical, offering solace to both body and spirit. Embrace the gentleness of cooling fever patches, your ally in moments that deserve a touch of warmth and care. Number 2. Flexible Phone Holder. Meet the ultimate companion for hands-free convenience, the flexible phone holder. Crafted for modern multitaskers, this versatile gadget adapts to your every need. With its bendable and adjustable design, it effortlessly secures your phone in the perfect viewing angle, whether you're watching a movie, video calling, or following a recipe in the kitchen. The sturdy clamp ensures a secure grip on any surface, from your desk to your bedside table. Embrace a new level of flexibility as you navigate through your day with ease. Perfect for work, play, or relaxation, the flexible phone holder is the epitome of practicality and comfort. Number 1. Laptop Cooling Stand. Ever felt the heat rise while working on your laptop, both literally and figuratively? Introducing our laptop cooling stand, a game changer that asks, why compromise on comfort and performance? Dive into the emotional relief of a cooler, more comfortable computing experience. Picture this: a stand designed not just to support your laptop, but to elevate your well-being. As you navigate your digital landscape, our cooling stand becomes a sanctuary. Whispering, why settle for anything less than optimal? Embrace the power of cool, both for your device and your state of mind. Ready to redefine your relationship with your laptop and say goodbye to overheating frustrations. It's time to experience the emotional coolness of our laptop cooling stand. Step into a world of innovation with these 10 super useful gadgets, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. Elevate your everyday experiences, from the convenience of a magnetic screen door to the humor-infused lifting suction cup. Subscribe now for more tech-savvy insights, and don't forget to hit the like button if you're ready to embrace a more convenient tomorrow. Explore these gadgets further and make them yours by clicking the links in the description. Upgrade, innovate, and let these gadgets guide your journey to a life enriched with both technology and emotion.